To set this up for glue, I'm going to be putting my clamps about 1 foot apart. And I do want to verify that any issue pieces are facing out. And I want each of my work pieces glued together, but I don't want the legs glued together. Our objective is to have a nice consistent bead of glue that we can then spread around across the entire face of each workpiece. We want each of these pieces to be securely connected together, so we're going to take a little time to do a good job. We can then flip up each of the individual pieces and combine the legs together. Again, making sure that we are not gluing the actual legs together, just the individual pieces. We can snug the clamps very loosely at first, and we want to check and make sure that the pieces don't shift around, and we can adjust those as necessary. We then want to come back with clamps on the top and slowly work our way down the line, snugging each piece. We can then wipe off any excess glue that has squeezed out with a wet paper towel. We want to do this on both the top and the bottom. And we can set that aside for 24 hours.